Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at the top pops and medical conditions of Instagram. So please follow our Instagram page at Greatest Medical. I'll put a link below. First off is this cyst removal by Dr. Cancer Killer. Find him on Instagram at Dr. Cancer Killer. Next is this amazing human body exhibit that shows how blood is carried throughout the human body. This video was originally shown on Reddit. It's a fun pop with a comedone extractor. I'll put my favorite comedone extractor kit in the links below. Here's a bad case of cystic acne with a whitehead being popped. Next up is a rare case of persistent pupillary membrane, or PPM. We'll have a featured video on this condition, so please look for it. And here is a pop at lightning speed. Does this look infected to you? Comment below. Before I show you more about comedone extractor tools, check out this big pimple pop. Wow.